air breathing.
Number 1. Toyota's humanoid spin-off lands $1.1 billion. Walden Robotics, a humanoid startup spun out of Toyota's research lab, emerged from stealth with $300 million in seed funding and a $1.1 billion valuation, one of the largest seed raises ever disclosed by a robotics startup. Why it matters. Every serious humanoid player is chasing a factory to host its robots and real-world data to train them, which is why figure courted BMW, Aptronic teamed with Mercedes, and Hyundai bought Boston Dynamics outright. Walden's edge is that it was born inside Toyota, and factories and funding were there from day one.
Number 2. Boston Dynamics tests Spot as a delivery bot. Boston Dynamics is testing its $75,000 Spot as a last-mile delivery assistant, strapping a conveyor belt to the robot dog's back so it can ferry packages from van to doorstep while the driver preps the next drop. Why it matters. Starship and Serve have already claimed the flat sidewalk market with simpler wheeled bots, while delivery drones target lightweight packages. Spot's edge is the terrain they cannot handle: stairs, curbs, gravel, and the last few feet to a front door. But at $75,000 and just 2 parcels per trip, it is an expensive solution. Number 4. Missile engineer builds mosquito-killing drones. French startup Tournial, backed by Y Combinator, demoed its tiny autonomous drones designed to hunt mosquitoes by their wingbeat frequency, with the stated goal of eradicating the species from human habitats. Why it matters. Malaria alone kills over 600,000 people a year, most of them young children, which makes this one of the rare killer drone pitches almost everyone can get behind. But the system has only shown one real-world intercept, and the target was a moth, a slower, far larger insect than the thing it's built to hunt.